Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known how to use shadow and how to apply shadow of your HTML like a text and boxes. This is the HTML very super and easy concept to applying of the designing. And nowadays, this is the shadow effect are very most popular and trending. It is going on. Now simply see here the text shadow how it is going to be. Like I'm taking H1 and H2 to applying shadow effect. Let's take H1 and H2 and using of this style for applying of these two like H1 and H2 with like an option of the style I am implementing here. Like see here text hyphen shadow will give you an attribute will offer you to making a shadow effect. And this is the H2 is the color white and text shadow 1px, 1px, 2px and black. The four radiations we have to give it. Then you can fix the like variations how it is super easy. Let's execute this. Wow! H1 is tag is applying one type of shadow here and H1 tag is applied for this shadow and H2 like some other tag it's given for like H2 is applied for white background. How simple it is to applying for the shadow. See here, it's a very pretty easiest way you to do the coding and all. But you to know how to write and how to apply these shadows. That's all. And you try to change different colors and the variations of the sizes of the 1px, 2px and the radius, increase and decrease with the different tags. Whichever the tag you are calling in CSS, the same tag will apply for all the applicable things. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.